In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then tap on this plus at the top here, on the right, to create a new one. Firstly, set up an hour. Then tap on days of the week you wish to pick, hit alarm name and label it. Now, when you're done, you can click on those two switches to switch off or on alarm sound and snooze. If you decided to enable those two, click on the chosen one to adjust it. Let's start with alarm sound. Pick one of those sound sources, like ringtone. Adjust volume at the bottom, click on those two switches to enable or disable those features, and either click on this plus at the top right corner to pick any song from your device. Decide if you wish to play selected highlights and click done at the top right corner to add your song, or pick one of those. Go back. Click on snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back again and hit alarm background. Here you can choose background at the top left corner. Tap on allow all. Pick one of those and hit done, or select any photo from your device and then hit done. When you finish, hit save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and hit save. And to get rid of it, hold it and tap on delete at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!